Have you ever felt the sting of rejection? That sharp, sinking feeling that seems to pierce right through your heart? It's that moment when someone or something says no to your dream, your idea, or your heartfelt proposal. It could be a job you desperately wanted, a project you poured your soul into, or even a simple suggestion you made to a friend. Or perhaps it's just your suggestion for where to grab dinner, met with a dismissive shrug or a flat-out refusal. It's a universal experience, this sting of no. We've all felt it at some point in our lives. Whether it's in our personal relationships, our professional endeavors, or our creative pursuits, rejection is an inevitable part of the human experience. Intro music. Hello and welcome to Mindful Traverse, your compass for navigating the profound depths of life. Here we delve into life's deeper questions, seeking to understand the complexities of our emotions and experiences. We believe that by exploring these questions, we can uncover insights that lead to a more fulfilling life. Today we're diving into a topic that many of us try to avoid at all costs: rejection. It's a word that carries a lot of weight and can evoke a range of emotions from sadness and frustration to anger and self-doubt. But what if I told you that rejection isn't always a bad thing? What if, instead of seeing it as a dead end, we could view it as a stepping stone? It's not always easy to face, but I'm hoping that by the end of this video we might see it a little differently. Maybe, just maybe, we can start to see rejection as a secret key to success. After all, many of the world's most successful people have faced countless rejections before achieving their dreams. It sounds strange, doesn't it? Rejection as a key? How can something so painful and disheartening possibly lead to success? But stick with me, because sometimes the most unexpected things can unlock amazing possibilities. Rejection can be a powerful motivator, pushing us to refine our ideas, improve our skills, and ultimately become better versions of ourselves. So let's explore how we can turn the sting of no into the fuel for our future success. Think about it. Every significant change, every monumental shift in history often begins with a simple yet powerful word: no. History is full of people told no, people who were doubted, dismissed, and discouraged. They were told they couldn't, shouldn't, wouldn't achieve their dreams, yet they persevered. Imagine being told you couldn't vote because you're a woman, that your voice didn't matter in the grand scheme of things, or that the earth couldn't possibly revolve around the sun, challenging the very core of established beliefs. These no's echo through time, reminding us that progress often comes from challenging the expected, from questioning the status quo. Rejection is a part of the human experience. It's a universal feeling, one that transcends time and culture. It's in our art, our music, our stories. These expressions capture the essence of our struggles and triumphs. It's the feeling of being on the outside looking in, yearning to be a part of something greater. The ache of not quite fitting in, the loneliness that comes with feeling different or misunderstood. But it's also the spark that ignites change, the moment of inspiration that drives us to push boundaries. The catalyst for something new, something revolutionary. Every no is a stepping stone, a challenge to be overcome. It's the driving force behind innovation, the reason we strive to discover, to create, to improve. It's the heartbeat of social movements, the call to action that unites us in the pursuit of justice and equality. And it's the foundation of our greatest achievements, the moments when we rise above the odds and prove the naysayers wrong. So the next time you hear a no, remember its history, embrace it, learn from it, and let it fuel your journey forward. Because every no is not an end, but a beginning. A beginning of a new chapter, a new possibility, a new hope, a new... What if we looked at rejection not as a door slammed shut, but as a window opening? What if instead of seeing it as a full stop, we saw it as a comma, a pause before a new sentence begins? This is where the unexpected gift of rejection comes in. It forces us to reassess, to reevaluate, to ask ourselves, okay, now what? It pushes us off the well-worn path and onto a road less traveled. Every no carries a lesson. It might be a lesson about our approach, our timing, or even about ourselves. Maybe that job rejection teaches us to better articulate our skills. Maybe that social rejection helps us understand the importance of genuine connection. The key is to approach rejection with curiosity, not defeat. Ask yourself, what can I learn from this? Instead of focusing on the closed door, look for the open window. It might be right there beside you. Rejection can be scary. It can make us doubt ourselves, make us want to shrink back and never try again. But here's the thing. Courage isn't the absence of fear. It's feeling the fear and trying anyway. Think about learning to ride a bike. Remember the scrapes, the falls, the feeling of wanting to give up? But you got back on. You kept trying, and eventually you were soaring down the sidewalk, the wind in your hair. In life, we often encounter moments that test our strength and determination. These moments, though challenging, are opportunities for growth. Each time we face rejection and choose to get back up, we build resilience. It's in these moments of struggle that we find our true strength. Whether it's an athlete rising after a defeat, a student persevering after a setback, or anyone facing life's hurdles, the act of standing up again is powerful. We become less afraid of the fall, more confident in our ability to handle whatever comes our way. This confidence isn't just about overcoming one obstacle, it's about knowing that we can face many. Each step forward, each challenge met, adds to our inner strength. We learn that no doesn't have to be the end. A closed door is not a finality but a redirection. It teaches us to look for new opportunities, to innovate, and to keep moving forward with determination. It can be the beginning of something amazing. Think of a sunflower. Despite the challenges it faces, it continues to grow and reach for the light. It doesn't bloom facing the ground. Instead, it turns its face towards the sun, seeking nourishment and growth. It reaches for the sun, even when the wind blows and the rain falls. It's resilient, and so are you. Just like the sunflower, you have the strength to stand tall, to face the storms, and to keep reaching for your goals. Embrace each challenge as a chance to grow, and remember that resilience is built one step at a time. Rejection often leaves us wondering, what if? What if I had said this? What if I had tried that? These what-ifs can be paralyzing, or they can be powerful motivators. Instead of letting the what-ifs hold you back, let them propel you forward. Use them to fuel your imagination, to explore new possibilities. You never know what amazing things might be waiting just around the corner. Your journey to success isn't a straight line, it's full of twists and turns, ups and downs, and yes, even rejections. But each step, even the missteps, teaches you something valuable. So embrace the journey. Embrace the no's as much as the yeses. Because it's in those moments of rejection that you discover your strength, your resilience, and your ability to create something truly extraordinary. The next time you face rejection, take a deep breath. Remember that you are not alone. This is a shared human experience, and within that experience lies an incredible opportunity for growth, for learning, and for achieving things you never thought possible. What will you unlock with the key of rejection? Thank you for sharing this time with us at Mindful Traverse. If today's journey stirred something within you, I invite you to join our community of thinkers by subscribing. Your thoughts and reflections enrich our collective exploration, so please leave a comment below. Let's continue the conversation together. Until our next journey, remember to embrace each moment with intention and curiosity. Stay mindful and wander wisely.